Hey guys, it's Cindy, and today I am going to be taking you guys on this whole transformation journey where I try out the super cute cottagecore aesthetic that I'm seeing everywhere on Pinterest. So I'm gonna be transforming my makeup, my hair, my outfit, and everything, and I'll take you guys along with me. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you want to see more of me. But yeah, so keep watching and see me go from my crusty self, having just rolled out of bed, into a somewhat decent looking human being who looks like she likes to go out for picnics and lives in a cabin in the middle of the woods and picks lavender flowers in the middle of a field. At least that's what I imagine cottagecore to be like. But anyway, let's start. Okay, so I have now brushed my teeth, brushed my hair, and put on contacts so I'm not super blind, and also did my skincare. And now we are going to jump into the makeup. I actually tried looking up cottagecore makeup and I couldn't really find exactly what I was looking for. So I was gonna try to do my best representation of what I think cottagecore makeup is. So in my mind, that's, not a lot of makeup, very natural, flushed and freckled cheeks. Oh, and also very fluffy brows. So let us try to recreate that. So for this look, I'm not going to wear any foundation because I really want to show my natural skin. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of concealer first, just to spot correct and cover my dark circles and any redness that I have. So this is the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm in the shade Fair because I was not blessed with glowing bronzed skin. And then around my nose, because I get a lot of redness there. You guys can still see my glasses marks where they were because I literally just took them off. That's the one thing I hate about wearing glasses is they always leave these little red marks on my nose for a hot second. And then I'm taking a brush just to go into any acne scarring that I still have. That's all the concealer I'm using, so I'm being very light-handed. And then next, I am going to put on the blush, and I'm going to wear a lot of blush. And I'm using the Rare Beauty blush in Bliss. And where I'm placing it is on the apples of my cheeks and a little towards my temples, and then also definitely across the bridge of my nose. And then I am going to, I'm gonna tap that out with my finger. And I think a lot of blush makes it more of a cute, innocent look, and also very springy, but you don't want to go overboard because I'm not trying to go for that e-girl look, which let me know if I should try next. But yeah, and then bring it onto the temples for a more natural look, and if you have any left over, you can even go over your eyelids. And then same thing on the other side, just blending that out. I look so crazy right now. And then I'm also kind of bringing it in towards the bridge of my nose so I can connect that with the blush here. So it looks like you've been out in the meadows, picking wildflowers and frolicking around and whatever else cottagecore girls do. And then I'm just also left over, I'm just bringing onto my nose. Okay. So then, I am going to, what am I gonna do? I'm going to go in with my bronzer, and bronze this face up. So, I am using the Fenty Beauty Stalk'r bronzer in Inda Sun, and I'm going right underneath, almost kind of on top of where I put the blush, on both sides. Get a healthy little bronzed look going. There we go. And then also over my temple freckles. Okay. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush and just lightly contour my nose. I don't want anything super harsh because, like I said, we're trying to go for that cute natural look. And then go over the top to carve out that button nose. And then also I'm going to sweep some over my eyelids and then underneath. Okay, so after bronzer, I'm going to go into my eyebrows. For my brows, I am not really going to fill them in that much. I'm just going to fill in the ends, just the slightest amount. Make sure they're not like super sparse. So I'm just lightly filling in my brows. We're really just going for that natural fluffy look. Oh, so right now I'm using the Innisfree brow pencil. I don't actually know. It's like so old the name has rubbed off. I really need a new brow product. But then after that, I am gonna use the Glossier Boy Brow and really try to fluff out the front end of my brows and work it through, keep all the brow hairs in place. And then, okay, so for the eyes, I'm going to use the Soft Glam palette because these have some really nice soft colors, Soft Glam, that I think would go really well with the look. So I am dipping into orange soda, which is this light orange, and working that across my eyes and then underneath. And I'm really focusing this color on the outer corners of my eyes and also my crease. So I'm packing the color onto the outer V and then dragging it in. Okay, so next I'm taking burnt orange, which is a slightly, just any slightly darker orange shade. And all of these are mattes also. And then just repeating the same process and blending out. Yeah, so we're not trying to do any sort of like smoky eye or anything crazy here. I'm just going for a very soft girl look. And then I really want to add a bit of sparkle because I think it would just look so cute, because I kind of just imagine like golden hour, really just dewy skin, and then a bit of sparkle like shining in the sun. I don't know, like cottagecore to me is just super like dreamy and romantic, so trying to incorporate that into this look. Oh, and what I'm using is Fairy, and it's from the same palette, by the way. I am going to add just the slightest bit of highlighter onto my nose. So this is the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Hustla Baby highlighter, and so I'm adding it onto the bridge of my nose. And then also what's most important is on the tip to get that button nose. And then whatever is left over, I'm just putting that onto my cheekbones. I don't want like a 2016 like blinding highlight moment going on here, so we are trying to avoid that. Next, I was thinking that I wasn't going to do any eyeliner for this, but actually I think I'm going to do a very soft, natural, like smudged out brown pencil liner. So this is the Tarte Double Take eyeliner in brown. And I'm just going to run this along my lash line. So I'm just tight lining, and then at the corners of my eyes, just drag it out the slightest bit. I'm not trying to do like a cat eye or a wing here, just sort of like a baby wing almost. Like more of a shadow, like. And then same thing on the other side. I'm like peak concentration right now. There we go. And then I'm going to take this little crease flat brush, and I'm taking a dark brown in the Soft Glam palette called Cypress Umber, and I am just placing this on top of the eyeliner that we just put down and smoking it out a bit for an even more natural look. And this also helps sort of set the liner as well. The other eye. Okay, so that's the eyeliner done. And then I am going to quickly finish off the eyes with a little bit of mascara. So I'm just going to curl them. I feel like with a look that doesn't have as much eyeliner, having flirty lashes are even more important. And the mascara I'm using is L'Oreal's Lash Paradise. And I'm just going to do a very light coat because I don't want anything clumpy. And I'm actually not even going to wear falsies today because I think we just want that sort of effortless. This only took me 5 minutes, even though it actually didn't. Look. What do you guys think of the whole cottagecore aesthetic? I think it's really, really cute. It isn't like the exact same as my like day-to-day style, but it's kind of close. Like it's still girly. Okay, and then I think what's really going to pull this look together are the fake freckles. So I'm taking the same pencil liner, and I'm just going to dot all over my nose and then across my cheeks. I already have some sunspots already, so I think these are going to blend in nicely with those. So then after that, usually I'm a lot slower with this, but we want a lot of freckles, so I'm just going to take my fingers and then lightly, or not really lightly, and then tap it out so it melts into the skin and looks more natural. So basically you're putting the freckles where you placed your blush. I think that it just gives off such a cute look. And then last but not least, I want to, what lip color do I want to use? Ooh, I know which one. Okay, and then last but not least for the lips, so I'm just gonna do something like super natural, and I'm gonna go in with this, look at how pretty this is, by the way, this Dior lip gloss in, what is it called? Spring Ball, yes. And it's just this really pretty peachy gloss. It's so natural, and it gives off the cutest glitters. So this is it for the makeup look, as you guys can see. And then next I am going to do my hair. So what I was going to do for hair is I was going to put waves into my hair, which kind of like resembles if you had your hair just in braids and then you took it out. So I will be right back. Okay, so I just did my hair and I did these really soft waves. If you guys want to know how I did my hair, I've already filmed a video about how I do waves like this. But for some finishing touches, I was thinking I could add like a braid on each side, which would be so cute. So I'm just going to quickly move my little curtain bangs out of the way, and then just taking a small section, I'm gonna braid that. Yeah, so if you guys like these transformation videos where I try out like different aesthetics, then let me know and I can do more, or suggest some for me to do, and I'd be happy to try them out. My hair is so long now. I am in desperate need of a haircut or a trim. Like, I think the last time I cut my hair was October 2019, pre-COVID, my like junior year of college. Okay, so that's one braid done, and then I'm going to do another one on the other side. I think this is going to be such a cute look, especially for the spring. I live in Massachusetts, and the weather is literally crazy. Like one second it's like below freezing and snowing, and the next it's like a beautiful sunny day and in the 60s. I have lived here my whole life and it will never cease to surprise me. Okay, so 2 braids, and then this is the finished hair look. I think it's really cute and honestly like so easy. So all that's left to do is to change. Yep, so I will be right back with that. Ta-da! This is the final look. So for the outfit, I put in some cute gold jewelry, and then I tied this little silk scarf into my hair. A lot of what I saw on Pinterest were these like white puffy sleeve dresses, and I don't have that exactly, but I do have this white puffy sleeve top that has little flowers all over it, and I just paired this with a little cute green skirt, and I think it looks so cute. I honestly think this turned out a lot better than I expected, and this just ties in the back, which is adorable. But yeah, look at how cute. And I kept the braids out front, but I think this honestly like really just like I could go for a picnic in this right now. If only it was warm enough to I just want spring to come right now in Massachusetts so that I can wear this out and look super cute. I'm not surprised by how much I like the whole cottagecore aesthetic. I have been meaning to try this out for so long, like the whole like scarf in the hair, cute little white dress and everything, and it's just so cute. I'm honestly obsessed. I hope you guys liked watching me transform into this cottagecore aesthetic, and I honestly thought it was really fun to try something a little bit different. If you made it this far, then don't forget to subscribe and follow me at cindy.leachy on Instagram. Please let me know what other transformations I should do, because this is honestly really fun and I would totally do something like this again. But yeah, until next time, bye!